guys, it's Ruthie, or Mystery Guest 1948, and welcome to my week 19 post-op SADI-S or loop-DS video. Okay, so I'm in my car right now. I just got out of the my 4-month appointment with my bariatric nurse, and so I just wanted to do my update now so I didn't forget about everything that we talked about, etc. So, okay, so let's go ahead and start out with my stats. Hi, I'm Ruthie. I am 36 years old. I'm 5'7", and on December 11th of 2017, I had the loop-DS or SADI-S bariatric procedure with Sanford Health with Dr. Curtis Peary. So my highest weight of all time was 375 pounds in July of 2016. My surgery day weight was 319.4 pounds. I weighed in last week at 266 pounds, and I weighed in this week again at 266 pounds. So I stalled again. Again I stalled. Ah! Little bit frustrating. So my overall weight loss is 109 pounds, and since surgery, 53.4 pounds. I was pretty disappointed that I stalled yet again. This is the third time I've stalled since surgery. I am a little over 4 months out. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I had such a big loss the week before or what, but all throughout the week. So I weigh every day, which has its goods and its bads, but I think I would go more nuts if I didn't weigh every day, quite frankly, because I would never trust that scale that it was actually reflecting correctly. I don't know. Maybe I'm just a control freak. I don't even know. Just kidding. Maybe. But basically throughout the week, what I saw is I was 266 for a couple days, and then it was 267, 269, 270, 267, and then back to 266. And then, yeah. So it's just this constant fluctuation. I usually see that during like my cycle, but I'm not close to my cycle, so I don't know what's going on. I asked my bariatric nurse about it. She said that, of course, these fluctuations are normal. Stop weighing yourself every day. I'm like, well, okay, but why am I stalled? I'm not going to stop weighing myself every day, but why am I stalling? She's like, it's really normal to stall. You just, if a stall lasts for more than 3 weeks, then start looking at your macros, etc. Yeah, I mean, I did the calorie cycling again, and I'm probably not going to do the liquid day again. I get so, like, grouchy, like hangry or something. Just, I don't like it, and I'm so tired by the end of the day that it's not fun. Thankfully, I didn't have a headache this week, but still. But yeah, so I mean, it really messed with my head this past week, seeing that fluctuation on the scale go up and up. And usually the fluctuations don't bother me so much, but for some reason this week it really did. I do want to thank Shrinking Violet DS. She's a YouTuber and on Instagram, for encouraging me when I was freaking out a little bit on my stall, and yeah, that was nice. I'm really grateful to all you guys and all your encouragement, because some days I just feel like a crazy person, like going through this and just constantly worrying about my macros and whether I'm drinking enough water or eating enough protein, or if I'm eating too many carbs, and I don't know. But the bariatric nurse was very encouraged. She's like, you are doing awesome. You're ahead of the curve. This is better than we expect you to be at this point in your journey. So don't worry about it. You're doing fine. I just always want to be the best. I'm competitive with myself, I think. But yeah, I did notice this week that I felt a bit more like I was at war with my body. And usually I don't feel that way, but I just felt like I have to fight my body for every pound, and which is silly because the week before I lost 5 pounds without doing anything that different. Head games, man. Head games. Oh my word. see, what else did I learn today? But yeah, she said I was doing really good at my bariatric visit. She's really encouraged. She says I'm doing well with everything I'm doing. I still have issues with back pain, but she said, you know, a lot of people experience that and it's not abnormal. You know, she's like, massage therapy, go to a chiropractor. Thankfully, I have a sister who's a massage therapist, but she doesn't live that close, so I'm going to have to see if she'll come visit and bring her massage table. And then, yeah, I'm going to check and see if there's a chiropractor in my area that is covered by my insurance. Oh, what else? What else did we talk about? Oh, so I get this weird pain. It's been happening more frequently, and I think it's just gas pain, but it's really painful. It's I can't really show you because of where I'm sitting in the car, but so it's right around where my like gallbladder would have been, or my stomach kind of is. It's right below my rib cage, but it's this really sharp pain, and it kind of takes the breath out of me. And usually it usually happens in the morning when I first get up. And it lasts for maybe 5-10 minutes, but I usually have to like lay down and like stretch and move. I usually take a Gas-X strip and just kind of breathe, you know, until it goes away. But it's really painful, and like I said, it goes away, so I haven't worried that much about it, but it seems to be happening more frequently. She said it could have something to do with like constipation. Like if I'm constipated and I've been laying down all night, and when I'm first getting up in the morning, that kind of movement could maybe move the gas around and I don't know. So it could be related to that, basically is what she was saying. She's not sure, but she did want encouraged me to become more proactive with constipation. I do take Miralax on occasion. I take Philip's Milk Magnesia sometimes, but just, I don't know. I think I'm going to have to do like a cleanse every once a week or something, just like a 1-day cleanse, just because sometimes it's really bad, really bad. I'm sorry, I'm talking about poop, but it gets really bad. Sorry if there's noise in the background. I kind of am in a construction type area. Let's see. Oh, cool NSV this week. I went to the circus with my son, and I also took him last year. I have kind of mixed feelings about the circus, but that's a whole other topic. But he really loves the circus. So we went last year. He loved it. But the arena seats that we were sitting in, I didn't fit. Like, I did not fit in these seats. I had to like sit sideways and like squish in, and I had bruises, and it was not pleasant. Not pleasant. But this year when I went, I totally fit just fine in those seats. Thank you, 6 feet of inches off of my body. So I fit fine in those seats. It was totally comfortable, no bruises, and yeah, made it for a much more pleasant experience this time around, gotta say. Okay, I think that's really all I have for this week. I'm not going to do the liquid day anymore as far as calorie cycling. I probably will still bevel my calories a little bit, but that just seems to happen naturally for me anyway, because some days I'm hungrier than others. Yeah, I think that's all I've got for you guys this week. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.